Hi guys, it's Jason here with MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas, and today I am on a pre-owned 2018 Avalon Ambassador 27. This is a super clean pre-owned boat that we just took in on trade. I'm going to go over a couple cool things that I really like about it. This little feature right here for entertaining your guests or whatnot has a lot going on. Awesome little refrigerator by Isotherm, a sink, and last but not least, my favorite part of this whole boat right here is this wine rack. Talk about wanting to show this off to some people. Pretty cool feature here in this boat. And while entertaining, we got tons of shade in this boat. Double bimini with some LED lighting in it. Here in the captain's area, we have just about everything that a good captain needs. We got JL audio stereo, a GPS by Garmin, and an awesome cool little remote control here. Making our way back to the boat. More big, plush, comfortable seating throughout this whole boat. So it's very comfortable for all your guests. For that family who wants to get down the lake fast and get back, we have these big 250 Mercs. For more information on this boat, my name's Jason here in Lewisville, Texas. Give us a call. Thank you.